Hey there, busy mama. You're doing one of the most powerful things on the planet, feeding your baby. And yet, somewhere in the rhythm of motherhood, you might feel like you've lost a little of your pre-baby glow. What if you could reclaim some of that glow, feel more confident in your skin, and stay in control, even while pumping? Introducing the Momcozy Breast Pump, sleek, wearable, and hands-free. Designed so you can move freely, multitask effortlessly, and still get the job done. No bulky tubing, no tethering to a wall, just you, flowing with your day, and flowing with your milk. Now you might wonder, what does a breast pump have to do with looking refreshed, feeling more radiant, or even keeping skin clearer? Here's the connection. When you feel comfortable, confident, and in control, that stress load that steals your glow begins to fade. Your posture improves, you stand taller, your mood lifts, all things that show up in the mirror. Because the Momcozy Pump gives you that freedom. You're not trapped in a static chair or hooked to a cord. You're free to walk, chat, take a call, raise arms, interact with your baby while expressing. Less tension, less restriction, more comfort, which means less stress on your body, less redness, less fatigue, maybe fewer breakouts, and yes, a little more of that fresh you feeling. With adjustable suction levels, multiple modes, compact design, and a whisper-quiet motor, Momcozy ensures you don't have to sacrifice efficiency or discretion for convenience. And when you feel efficient and discreet, you feel empowered, and that empowerment shows. So yes, while the primary goal is nourishing your little one, there's an amazing side effect. When you feel nourished, looked after, and free to move, your skin, your posture, your presence will reflect that. Tap the link below the video and treat yourself to the Momcozy Breast Pump. Because you're doing so much, you deserve to feel great doing it. Whether you're navigating work, home, errands, or baby snuggles, let this pump be your ally. You feed, you flow, you glow. Get yours today.